So it will send the signals to, yes, it will send the signals to PLC, and PLC will cut off the power supply to the motor. Safety limit switches we use, and one more say limit switches where we use mean door limit switches. So you can see there are some 5 limit switches are there. Both are same, so wireless, those are wired. So in that also like 5 sensor, one is for door limit switch, another 2 sensor for one direction motor, forward reverse, right hand limit and left hand, and another 2 for another motor, like long fast travel, all those. Next sensors. Next we have CL temperature sensor, CL110, green color sensor. So here, these are the battery operated ones. The lifespan of this sensor is 2 years. 2 years.
Yes.
And there are different operations like to reset this sensor. When you press this one, it will blink 3 times. LED will blink 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 3 means the sensor is reset now. So it may be configured with other devices also. But to reset that one, we have to press this one. It will show 3 LEDs. 1, 2, 3. So after that, when you press again, it will blink 2. 1, 2. So then only it will start communicating, like pairing with the harmony.
So now if it is in tethering mode, I can tether that.
Yes.
So you can change the battery after 2 years or
I don't know, so that service team we have to ask. Because as of now we have not, I think we have to replace. The configure channel number 3. The type of this sensor is CL. Now I'll use tethering mode directly. T. It will wait for 2 minutes, sir. Within 2 minutes, if signal is not coming, then it will go to original state. So now 2. Press hold continuously. It's a tricky one initially, like when you practice 2-3 times.
த்ரீ எப்போ வரும்னாக்கா IN3 வரணும். அப்படி வந்தால் தான் கான்ஃபிகர்.
3 LEDs to reset the sensor, and when you press, after 3 LEDs, when you again press, 2 LEDs will blink. So after 2 times LED blink, within 20 seconds it will configure, sir. Two times LED. Now wait for 20 seconds, it will fix. T1, T2, T3. After configuration, every 5 seconds LED will blink, sir. Once LED will blink. better to reset once 3 LED and
Now it's small. So you have to press continuously.
for resetting, press continuously, sir.
Okay.
It will blink 3 LEDs, then release the button, then again press 2 times, LED will blink 2 times. Then wait for 20 seconds, it will configure. T1, T2, T3. See here, sir, it is in an offline mode. So the line hyphen, it should come like a underscore.
Okay.
It is not configured. You have configured with the number, but it is not a pairing, like not sending or receiving the data. You can see the ID. You can see, sir. Check the ID, RFID ID.
Yes. FF
Yes, sir.
91F460. 480 it is showing.
Yes.
It is 460.
4, 6,
0.
F, 480.
Sorry, 480. Correct.
That is the ID of RFID.
So it's offline, no, right now?
Yes, offline, sir.
So how will make it online?
அண்டர்ஸ்கோர் ஆன்லைன் கனெக்ட் ஆகிடுச்சு ஐஃபோன் அப்படின்னாக்கா ஆஃப்லைன் போடலாம்
Try to configure again.
மற்றபடி
Press.
நம்பர் பிளிங்க் ஆகிட்டு இருந்துச்சுனாக்கா
Sorry.
சிக்னல்
Yes,
யூஸ் பண்ணிட்டு
press 2 LEDs. Yes, sir.
ಇವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ಇಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇದು ಡಿ ಪಿ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ மாதிரி இருக்கா
இல்லை சார் நம்ம எங்கேயுமே யூஸ் பண்ண மாட்டோம்ல அங்கே தான் பார்க்குறேன்
ಇಲ್ಲಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಂಡಿಚೇರಿಲಿ ನೋಡೋದು
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಾನು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ. No press. It is asking. Have you got 2 LEDs, sir?
No.
After 2 LEDs, you can leave, sir. So 3 LEDs or 2 LEDs, sir? Yes.
No.
Yeah, the LED will blink.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
2, 3. Now reset, sir. Now
Oh,
again
sir.
press 2 LEDs. Yes.
But it is blinking 3 times.
3 times means it is a reset, sir. You should blink only 2 times.
Oh, no, it is 2 times.
Yeah. Wait, sir.
So in this case, we should be ready for tethering, right?
E2, E3. Correct.
Press once, sir. Just once. 1 LED. Yes.
Now it's connected.
Correct. So that means this temperature sensor tethered to that, right?
Yes. And now
So how to display the values?
display will be alcohol. So we'll configure all the sensors.
Sure, sir, sure.
Now 3 numbers, sir. So I'll try to rub here.
It will show.
Value won't show, sir. It will show the channel number.
Okay. I3 came.
Similar to, you can configure the other sensors. So I'll delete all the sensors and make a group. I'll open one more kit, configure all the sensors. Then we'll start reading the sensors values.
Sure.
You can delete, sir. I'll guide how to delete this. So click on that one, sir. Ready?
Okay.
Configure.
No, the channels are coming.
Yes, sir. Channel, click on channel. No, sir. Back. Escape. Rotate. Yes. Okay, click on this one, sir. Channel rotate. Rotate. You will find DEL, delete option. Yes, click on that one, sir. Rotate. Yes. Yes, channel 0. Delete it. Similar to delete.
So
one,
now
two, three.
all those things are deleted.
Only one channel is
Channel.
deleted.
Okay, so we have to take each channel and we have to delete separately.
So delete all the channels and configure. Try to configure manual mode and also tethering. And open.
rotate panel. Enter கொடுத்துட்டு rotate panel.
Delete. Yes. So now that channel is deleted.
மூணு சென்சார் நாட் அதுக்கப்புறம் பட் நீங்கள் எப்படின்னு ரிவர்ஸ் கூட பண்ணீங்க திடீர்னு இடையில அப்படி நம்ம அந்த த்ரீ கலர் த்ரீக்கு பதில் டூன்னு செலக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க அப்படியே ஸ்க்ரோல் பண்ணி காமிக்கிறீங்க நீங்கள் ஆக்சுவலி நீங்கள் ஸ்டேட் பண்ணுங்க ஃபோன் இருக்குது சார் அந்த டைம் தான்
Plus one. Right side, rotate till delete.